Hey everybody, Chelsea with Craft and Grow. Welcome back to the kitchen. In today's video, we're going to be making a turkey cornbread casserole that you can also dehydrate and bring with you out on the trail. It is a great way after having a really nice long hike, having a nice Thanksgiving Day turkey meal back at the campsite. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, now that I have my ground turkey already cooked, you can see I have it in a baking dish. This is going to go into the oven in a minute at 350 for 45 to 50 minutes. In prep for this, I already made my cornbread and I have about maybe 4 to 6 cups of gravy back here. This is homemade gravy. You can make homemade gravy. There's a bunch of videos out there and recipe is flour, butter, water, and I use chicken bouillon. So I made that, delicious. I have my celery and my onions ready to go. We're literally going to take all of this and mix it in together, and then we're going to throw it in the oven. So let's go ahead and let's do that. That is what she looks like. So we're going to go ahead and let that casserole cook for the next 45 to 50 minutes. Take it out, let it cool, and then we'll throw it on the dehydrator. So stay tuned. All right, so the turkey cornbread casserole is out of the oven. Yes, I had a piece. It's delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on the dehydrator. We're gonna set it on 160 for about 12 hours overnight, and then we'll come back and we will package it for yet another hiking trip. So let's go ahead and let's get that started. So that casserole pan filled 3 of my dehydration trays. So we're going to go ahead and turn this on 160 degrees, 10 to 12 hours, and we'll go ahead and package it up.